to my channel. I'm Cher, and today I'm doing an everyday makeup look, my everyday makeup look. Now let's just jump into it. So I do start out by priming my face, and I do use the e.l.f. primer. So next I do take the it's the L'Oreal, it's the cushion one, it's the foundation. So next, I take the LA Colors Browy Wowie to do my brows. Alright, so next I'm taking the Glamouflage by Hard Candy in Light, and I do little triangles under my eyes. I don't like to do heavy contouring and concealing when I'm just doing a more like natural look, so I just do a light so it brightens my eyes up and stuff like that and hides a little bit of the dark circles. Do you ever notice like when you're doing your makeup and concealing and like putting like mascara on, you do funny faces? Or maybe that's just me, I don't know. Comment down below if you make funny faces. So I do use a little tiny blending brush or blending sponge, beauty blender, to blend it out. After that, I do take the Airspun loose powder in translucent, and I'll take that small blender that I just used, and I don't get much because I don't want to really bake, but I want to set it underneath so you don't have that creasing right here. I know a lot of girls have that problem where it creases right here. So next, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just pretty much like wipe it off and pat it in. And then I'm gonna take some on my brush as well. I don't want a lot. And I'm gonna get the rest of my makeup and set it. So next, I'm taking my Too Faced bronzer in Chocolate. It smells so good. All right, next I'm taking my Pretty Vulgar in the color Make Them Blush, or is it Hush Blush? I'm not sure. There's two different names on the back. One of the two. All right, so for eyeshadow, like I said, I want to keep it simple as possible. So I'm going to take this palette. So I'm going to take this first color right here. It's called Daydream, and just use it as a transition color. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just go right into my crease. And then next I'm going to take this color right here in the color Lucy. And I'm going to take that same blending brush. I'm not going to pick a lot of product up. And I'm just going to go in on the lid. For that, I'm going to take, I think it's Wet n Wild, or no, Hard Candy. It's a white pencil in the color Get Iced. And then I'm just going to put this on my bottom lashes. Well, inner waterline. Next, I'm going to take my liner, and this is Ulta. It's a glitter liner. There's only a little bit of glitter in it, but I like the way it looks and the way it applies. Right, so after that, I'm going to do my mascara. I'm using the Falsies by Maybelline. So, and for a glow, I don't like to do super bright, but I do like a glow. And so I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Collection palette, and it has these two highlights in it. I like to mix them both together and apply them together, and I just take a fluffy brush alrighty. And then for inner eye highlight, I like to take the other palette by Kristen. Alright, so I take the Leo and Braxton in the middle, and I like to apply them both. And it just opens up the eyes like that. Alright, and for lips, so I'm going to take my Tarte Lip Sculptor. It has the lipstick and the lip gloss, and I just love the colors. They're super natural and light and pretty. Alright, and last but not least, I like to take my setting spray, and it's the Natural Finish Setting Spray by Wet n Wild. And there we go. That is the finished look. That is the finished look. If you guys want to see any more videos or have any idea on what you want to see, let me know. I'm open to all kinds of videos. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.